Welcome back to my channel. Before I start, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will read article by Lisa Richwine, San Diego Research. The upcoming prequel to HBO's Game of Thrones will explore the origin of the Targaryen dynasty starting at the time of the family's greatest power. The cast and creator told fans at the annual Comic-Con Pop Culture Convention on Saturday. House of the Dragon, which debuts August 21, takes place 200 years before the events of Game of Thrones, a medieval fantasy series that became a global phenomenon during an 8-season run that ended in 2019. The new 10-episode series tells the story of generational war among the Targaryen. Executive producer Ryan Condal said. It begins at the absolute pinnacle of the dynasty, the height of their power, wealth, and influence. They have the most dragons they will ever have, Condell said it just before the blooms start to come off the rose. Paddy Considine plays King Viserys Targaryen, who the actor described as a man of good temperament and kind, trying to keep the peacetime going within the kingdom. Doctor Who star Matt Smith plays Prince Daemon Targaryen, the king's younger brother. The pair have quite a complicated relationship, Smith said. Emma the Archie portrays Princess Rhaenyra Targaryen, her father's cousin successor. Also in the family tree is Princess Rhaenys Velaryon, who was passed over for the throne. She should have been the queen, Bess said of the character. It's kind of annoying that she isn't. It's also kind of annoying that people keep reminding her that she isn't. The new series is based on author George R. Martin's book Fire and Blood. Martin, who had criticized part of Game of Thrones, said he had seen 9 of the House of the Dragon episodes and found them pretty amazing. These books, these characters are like my kids. He said, when you give your kids to people for adoption, you wonder how they be treated. Will you recognize them? So far, I'm really very happy, he said. The new 10-episode series tells the story of generational war among the Targaryens. Executive producer Ryan Condal said it begins at the absolute pinnacle of the dynasty, the height of their power, wealth, and influence. They have the most dragons they will ever have, Condal said. It's just before the blooms start to come off the rose. Paddy Considine plays King Viserys Targaryen, who the actor described as a man of good temperament and a kind man trying to keep the peace time going within the kingdom. Doctor Who star Matt Smith plays Prince Daemon Targaryen, the king's younger brother. The pair have quite a complicated relationship. Smith said Emma the Archie portrays Princess Rhaenyra Targaryen, her father's successor. Also in the family tree is Princess Rhaenys Velaryon, Bess, who has passed over the throne. She should have been the queen, Bess said of the character. It's kind of annoying that she isn't. It's also kind of annoying that people keep reminding her that she isn't. The new series is based on author George R. Martin's book Fire and Blood. Martin, who had criticized part of Game of Thrones, He had seen 9 of the House of the Dragon episode and found them pretty amazing. Okay guys, that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.